Hi everyone! Use your own. No, I'm not doing anything. Just bubble. No! Let's go. Hi everyone! Welcome to today's session. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a really simple bubble fruit tea, which we call it the pineapple lychee coconut jelly bubble fruit tea. And in this, it's super easy. You just need a few ingredients, which is the lychee coconut jelly, the pineapple syrup, the Four Seasons oolong tea, which we call it the 四季春茶 in Mandarin, and they look like this. Tea leaves rolled into little bowls. Very beautiful and very fragrant tea. The black tapioca. Some diced pineapple cubes that I have it on the side. So I had pre-made some oolong tea. Earlier you saw how small the pellets were. These leaves were rolled into small little pellets. And on brewing, they became really huge when the leaves unfold. And for the black tapioca, of course, I have already pre-made the black tapioca for today's session. And if you need to learn how to make black tapioca, remember we had another video that talks about making black tapioca. Check that out. If you want it cold, remember the ice. Alright, let's go! Now we put all the ingredients mentioned together. Take the glass, some tapioca, these are lychee flavored coconut jelly, so they're like infused with lychee, and they taste really good. Mix them a little. It's optional, but I like my fruit tea with some fresh fruits, so some pineapple. They really increase the chewiness and the freshness of the drink as well. So super. Pineapple syrup. Just 30 ml would do. But of course, you can increase the sweetness of your drink by adding more syrup. For me, usually I go with 30 ml. And last but not least, ice. Do you see this little bird? The tea. Super. And little leaf, peppermint leaf, to add on the colors to this drink. So there you have it, the pineapple lychee coconut jelly bubble tea. Super, it looks so nice, no? We just need to taste it now. Mix it well. Super nice. Wow, it was a really good idea with the lychee jelly with black tapioca. Both just complements each other so well. And with the pineapple syrup, it just brings up a whole new refreshing flavor to the drink. I really like this drink. Super nice, super refreshing. Try it, make it, and let me know how you like the drink in the comment section below. I read through all the comments, and I really appreciate if you could give me some feedback. One more thing, if you decide to use the same ingredients as ours, just check out our online shop in the description below, and you can find all of these ingredients that we use in today's video. And of course, you can use any other bubble tea ingredients that you would like. Ciao! It just brings in all the flavors together and just in your mouth.